Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hakasining kalapha senlai dawai bat penbek jakasong thamai nakamanta ki MLA nakamanta ka dorbar mangtengka kabar sedang nadu kani kasingi balang.
Ka reassemble budget session jang ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kan long nadu arpo artarik 2020 halor kani ka business advisory jang ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kalashong haka artarik May 2020 hakani ka meeting larai ru ban follow ye ki jingptha ne ki guidelines bala issue ka Department of Health and Family Welfare Department ulampang ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly uba medba lingdo ula inspect ye ka assembly building harilbong hakasngi thodi ka santarik May ban pay ye ki arrangement na kabanta session ka municipal kala sanitize ye ka assembly building brok kawai shapo ba shabar Kuntup ya ka chamber, ban maintain ya ka social distance, lapan bait thamai ya ki seating arrangements hapo ka building. High entry point jong ka building la pan bait, ban le thermal scanning, ban install ya ki sanitizers with touch free mechanism.